On September 15, 1991, externally mounted cameras on the NASA mission STS-48 captured this footage. An unidentified object is moving through space. Then a bright flash is seen. The object makes a 90-degree change in direction. Then another high-speed object streaks vertically through the screen. Comets, asteroids, and space junk cannot change direction like this.
It's my conclusion that we're looking at some kind of spacecraft.
On June 3, 1965, during the Gemini 4 mission, which included the United States' first ever spacewalk, command pilot James McDivitt noticed an object outside the craft. According to NASA, at that moment the closest known man-made object was 1,200 miles away. Official sources say that the pilot was seeing parts of his own craft. To this day, McDivitt claims it simply was not part of his own booster.
Well, it was a UFO. That means unidentified flying object. Whether or not it was life from another planet, I don't really know.
Some speculate the object was a secret spy satellite, though NASA claims there were no known objects in that area at that time. On December 4th, 1965, about 2 hours into a Gemini mission flown by Jim Lovell and Frank Borman, the astronauts noticed something strange outside of their spacecraft.
Gemini 7 here, you listen on your 8. Clear. 7, go ahead.
Lovell refers to the object as a bogey, a term pilots use for enemy aircraft. The official story is that they saw their own booster, but the written transcript makes it seem otherwise. Mission Control asks, "Is that the booster, or is that an actual sighting?" Lovell responds, "We have several. Looks like actual sighting. We also have the booster in sight." So what exactly does the actual sighting refer to, if this is in addition to seeing the booster? Is there more to this than we're being told? On February 20th, 1962, John Glenn became the first American to orbit Earth. What is less known is the strange phenomenon he witnessed just as his craft began exiting Earth's atmosphere. Glowing particles, small lights that seemed to swarm around his capsule. He referred to them as fireflies.
I never saw anything like it. They're coming by the capsule, and they look like little stars, a whole shower of them coming by. They swirl around the capsule and go in front of the window, and they're all brilliantly lighted.
It's now believed these particles were small fragments of ice being caught by the light of the sun. But who knows? No one ever said aliens couldn't be particle-sized. On 2 separate occasions, NASA astronaut Story Musgrave claims to have seen what he describes as an eel or a snake wriggling around in space.
I guess most people call it a snake.